If you want to be clean, start by bathing or showering daily, especially after working out or sweating a lot. Brush your hair at least once a day and wash it 2 to 3 times a week, or as often as needed, depending on your hair type. To keep your mouth clean and healthy, brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily. Since hands and nails tend to get dirty easily, wash your hands often with soap and water and groom your nails. Keep your nails trimmed to keep dirt and bacteria from building up underneath them, and wash under them when you clean your hands. To keep yourself smelling nice, use deodorant under your arms and wear your shoes with socks to keep sweat and bacteria from building up in your shoes. Wear clean clothes every day and change your clothes more often if they get sweaty or dirty. Having a clean environment can also be an important part of maintaining good hygiene. So tidy your home regularly and clean up messes as quickly as possible.